If you are a small entrepreneur and you want to build your business on YouTube, then you are in the right place. In today's video, you will learn tips on how to sell on YouTube. And also consider subscribing to this channel, because this channel is for people like you who want to build their dream business, to create the freedom they need to really enjoy their lives and make impact. It took me a while to figure out how to sell on YouTube, so in this video I'm happy to share it with you, and at the end of the video I will also mention the most important metrics when it comes to selling on YouTube, so make sure you stay till the end of this video. And if you want to build your business but you don't know what to start with, then check out my free training on building your dream business. The link is in the description below. It's a half-an-hour video after which you will be very clear what to do and what to start with. So let's dive into the topic. First of all, if you want to sell on YouTube, you need to have a product. And you need to have clarity about what is that you offer. What kind of product? And it can be anything. It can be your service you provide, like one-on-one. It can be any kind of physical product. It can be a digital product. In fact, it doesn't even have to be your product, but it can be a product of another company if you use some affiliate program for that. But you need to have clarity, yeah? And you need to let your subscribers know what is that you offer, because otherwise they have to guess it themselves, and it's much more difficult then. And it's very hard to sell on YouTube if you don't even mention or don't give the clarity on what is that you're selling. So first is that your product. And if you're not sure what is that you can give to the world, what is that genius, what is this skill that you have, and you want to share with others, then make sure you check out that free training in the description below that I mentioned before, because it explains you, and after that you will figure out which kind of product you can offer to the world. And the second thing is clarity about your ideal client. Your ideal client is the person who needs your product the most. It's not that you're trying to get the clients who are not really your clients. No, you are trying to be in front of the people who, to show up to the people who actually need your product. That's the only reason. We are not trying to sell something that people don't need. That's very important. When you try to sell something on YouTube or anywhere else, it's important that you find your audience and that you have a clarity about that, about your potential client. Because this way you will be able to come to the third point, and that is valuable content. On YouTube, you have to provide valuable content for your potential clients. And therefore, you need to know your clients so that you know what they need, and therefore you will know what kind of content you have to provide. You don't just make, random videos on YouTube if you try to sell something. If you're just a content creator and you are looking for getting more views and that's it, because you're just interested in getting, ads revenue, then you don't need to know it. You can, create videos which are kind of entertaining and could be also random and stuff, and people will watch it because there are a lot of people who will be entertained by that. But if you're trying to sell something, then you need to sell it to people who need it, and it should not be a broad audience then. You should actually niche down. You should be aware that it's good to focus your content so that it is valuable for only the people who are your potential clients. And those people who are not interested in that, they can go to another channel. They can check out many other places where they can entertain themselves. So valuable content for your client, the client who might be very interested in your product because they actually need it, because you have the solution that they are looking for. Intentional, valuable content is then very important. And this content should also be consistent. When you're trying to sell something on YouTube, you need consistency. And you can decide how often you upload videos, valuable videos. It can be once a week. In my case, I provide a video every Wednesday. And I never missed any Wednesday so far. And let me know if you have a YouTube channel, if you stick to your schedule, or if it's like hard for you to be disciplined on that. But if it's hard for you, I would recommend that you inform your audience that you're going to take a break, so that you're going on vacation or something, or you just need time to restructure your channel, or something happened in your life and you need a break. Like recently, I had a really tough time in my life and I was very close to saying I need a break. It's the only reason why I kept the schedule is because I had some videos which I recorded beforehand, and that was the only reason. But really, for a few weeks, I was out of a lot of things. I couldn't do anything. This video here I made, when I was explaining what's going on with me, and it can happen to you as a YouTuber. So being consistent is very important. But if something happens, then just inform your audience, and it's also fine. And if you want to be a full-time YouTuber, then you can provide a video every day, usually not more than that, because to provide quality video every day, that is a lot of work. Yeah, that is actually a lot of work. So I know it from my own experience, because providing a video every week is a challenge for me, because there are other things, I have to do for my business, and I can't even imagine doing a video every day, and I think I would be burned out when I would decide to do so. Therefore, I stick to this once per week, and it's working, I think, fine so far. But you decide. If you have more surplus, then do it more often, maybe twice a week, maybe 3 times a week, or even every day. Of course, you can grow faster, and then you have the possibility to sell more things if you do, more videos on YouTube, because this way you can get more subscribers and more potential customers. But it's good to start with not more than once a week, because this is already a lot of work. And if you want to have a business on YouTube, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. I have a lot of content here that can help you with that. And also make sure you check out my playlist on building a business on YouTube, because there are so many things and so many aspects of that cannot fit in one video, and therefore make sure you check this playlist out after you watch this video, so that you can, have the whole picture of how to build your business on YouTube. And as I promised to mention, the most important metrics when it comes to building your business on YouTube is actually retention. That means how much of your video people watch, And if they watch more than 30%, that is a really great result, because usually it's less. Because actually those people who watch till the end are your potential clients, people who are very much interested in you and who really like you. And by the way, if you watched that video so far, it means you really like the videos. So please give me a like. It really helps me spread this message all over YouTube, so that other people can benefit from it. And thank you for staying till the end. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so that we meet again next Wednesday. And the last thing here I wanted to mention is communication. Communication is important when you build a business, because it's a dialogue, You provide something, you get the feedback, you improve your product. And if you don't ask questions, and if you don't encourage people, to give you feedback, then you cannot improve in the future, and you don't really know what your subscribers want you to talk about. You don't know what your potential clients want you to put into your product. So make sure you communicate with people, meaning that you, of course, answer their comments. That's obvious, but also that you encourage people to, give you a feedback. And also for this video, if there's something you want to add here, or maybe there was something in the video that you would want to know and I didn't talk too much on that point, then let me know in the comments so that I can get back on that topic. And also let me know in the comments if you actually liked this video. Yeah, what was if you took something from this video, if this was useful for you. Yeah, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel so that we meet next Wednesday. And meanwhile, watch another video of mine on content marketing that sells. And this strategy you can use not only for YouTube, but also for any other social media, for example, Instagram. And I use Instagram a lot because I think the combination of YouTube and Instagram is the great way, to build your business. I have also some useful links when it comes to growing on Instagram in the description below, so check it out. Yeah, and watch this video on content marketing that sells here. So I will see you in that video.